Hi guys, Sofia Tilbury here, and I'm so excited because I'm going to be showing you guys one of my favourite palettes that's ever been created by Charlotte, and it's her new palette called Charlotte Darling, and I'm going to be taking you guys from day to date. So I cannot wait to show you guys the looks I'm going to create with this. And I'm going to go straight into the eyes with Charlotte's new eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be creating a gorgeous dreamy look with these 3 shades here. I'm going to start by using the first shade, and I'm going to just be using a light wash of this onto my eyes. And I'm just going to be using that all over my eye, and I just go backwards and forwards like a windscreen wiper. That's what Charlotte always says. Because it's such a light colour, you can really wash this all over the eyes. And then I just like to highlight underneath my brow bone. This is an old Hollywood makeup trick for bigger, brighter eyes. So I always like to pop a little bit in the inner corner of my eyes and then just dragging it underneath the eye at the front. Next, I'm going to be using the rose gold shade, and this is actually one of my favorite shades in the entire palette. I think it's really flattering. I think it suits absolutely everyone. So when you use your finger with these shades, it adds more color payoff. So I'm just going to go in with my finger and then add this onto the center of my lid. Then I'm going to go in with my smudger brush again and kind of take that underneath my eye. Now I'm going to be using this gorgeous peachy shade. These shades are really easy to blend, and I'm using Charlotte's smudger brush and blender brush to create this eye, and you really don't have to be a makeup artist, it's that easy. And I'm just gonna nestle it into my eye socket with the blender brush, going backwards and forwards, kind of bringing it out into a soft cat eye shape. And then you can just use your finger to just tap it out as well. And then I'm just going to be using the smudger brush with the same shade, using that underneath my eye, bringing it halfway, leaving the front quite light and bright. You can really just layer this shade for intensity, and you can create a light, peachy, smoky eye with it. As winter's coming along, I feel like my lips are getting really dry, so this is a great lipstick because it's got a really gorgeous balmy texture to it. So if you've got this gorgeous natural eye look at the office, this is a great way to amp it up for the evening.
This is how we do this. In one way I'm yours, in one way you're strangers, but I know for sure we got something.
I hope you guys love this tutorial and you love the Charlotte Darling palette just as much as I do.
But we're so different.